Avec beaucoup d'énergie. Woo! Hello, my name is Flora. I am an Associate Experience Adoption Manager at Sonepar. I have done some experiences abroad within the B2B industry in Brazil and London. In 2017, I have started my consultant career at the heart of the transformation. In the Digital Factory, I make sure that the different countries deliver properly our new CRM. The first day I used Salesforce was a big discovery for me, and I felt really the efficiency of the CRM. On l'a fait, si tu veux. Yes, I can say that. I try always to keep myself updated on the different digital topics, but it's hard. I guess that companies, they need really to highlight the woman successes in their company, and like that the woman will gain confidence and say, why not me? It was my first boss, and she was really a great woman, really action-driven and a great listener, and it makes a difference. It's Lucy Bash, the co-founder of Too Good To Go. I think that she compiled really the key topic at the moment. Digital culture is wide. Training, podcasts, LinkedIn Learning, Instagram, TikTok. Feel free to pick up the one you like. Digital helped me to improve myself in the way of learning, to be quicker and to stay updated on the market because it's big and it goes fast. And also it changed my mind on the adoption approach, the human approach in my project.